Yo, what's up, family? Back at it again. Stocks with Kenny. Thank y'all for being here. If do me a favor, like, comment, and share if you would like the video. And with that being said, we're gonna hop right into this. This video, I'll be getting to a couple big dog AI stocks and a group of AI stocks that I believe is a good time to buy and invest in right now due to being in the early stages of AI development. Um, I got a big group, and if you see me look up, I got a couple sticky notes over here just to help me stay on track for the video. Uh, but the top AI stocks right now, in my opinion, to invest in will be This is the ETF, but Nasdaq 100, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Amazon, Google, Palantir, AMD, Fortinet, Palo Alto, and UiPath. And yeah, that's just a group that I'm doing some thorough research on, just to make sure that I'm seeing what I'm seeing. You know, you always got to make sure that your eyes aren't, telling you a lie. So you got to make sure you do thorough research, and I actually have a lot of a big group of like-minded individuals that we all invest, that we throw knowledge across. It's always nice to have peers that are doing what you're doing, and y'all can just throw ideas across, and you never know what you might hear that can change your journey on investing in that, man. Investing in trading, you never know. Books, people, peers, um, anywhere. Just always be willing to learn. And next up, we have some price targets and some news for AMD. Actually, AMD is a strong number two for AI companies, the biggest AI companies. Number one is obviously NVIDIA. But AMD, if you didn't know, NVIDIA and AMD CEOs are actually cousins. I did not know that till I was watching a video and they had ran that fact across me. But that's crazy to think about. Just think about that. Thanksgiving and stuff. They're sitting across tables, rivals AMD AI trying to get on top of one another. NVIDIA is already up there, but AMD is working his way up there. And with that being said, AMD actually has a partnership with, if I'm not mistaken, with ZT Systems, trying to up NVIDIA. So right now is a great time to buy. I actually do have some price targets from some big dog investors that they corporations, institutions. Craig Hollum has a $200 price target for AMD. Sid Fell has a $200 as well price target for AMD. Barclays 180. We have Truist Financial, and it's at 156, and I believe we're sitting somewhere near that right now. So yep, we're sitting at 155, 155 and $18. I mean 18 cents. Yep. So that's what I have for that. And like I just said, they had that partnership coming up, and it was just that it topped off today at 160 some, I believe. So I'm buying this pullback. It's a little pullback because really over the week is up. Yeah, it was at 161, but on the week is up 13%. But it just got done from a little pullback, 13% pullback, and over 3 months it's still down 6%. So I mean, it's on its way back up, man. But this is a solid company. I have faith in it. Do as you will, but I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. You feel me? You want to make some money? Do as you will. And yeah, with that being said, we're on to the next. NVIDIA, the big dog AI chip company. Um, yeah, it took off really yesterday, Monday. All stocks took off Monday. Came down today for a little pullback. But I do have some. My mentor Kenan Grace calls it a trident method, where you wait, buy, and sell 3 levels. But I'm not gonna take his his wording. This is 3 levels that I'll wait, buy, and sell. Set my stop loss at, not still. I mean, it's gonna sell, but the stop loss did it for you because you're already predicting your loss if it goes that way. But I will wait at $123 to $125. I believe it's somewhere in that range right now. I will buy between 110, 120, what is that, 21, perfectly lower towards 110, just so you can set your stop loss at 109 and just get out quicker, because that's the last support before we drop off lower to hundreds and might make our way back to the 90s if that does happen. I also have some price targets for NVIDIA. Jeffries see it going to 150. Barclays see it going to 145. UBS 150. And yeah, Oppenheimer, I did not say it right, but they got them at 150 as well. So I mean, right now NVIDIA is sitting at NVIDIA sitting at $125 and $89. So right now we're still waiting according to that wait, buy, and stop loss. Next up, Tesla. I also want to throw Tesla in there, just because that's one of my biggest positions in my portfolio. So I'm always gonna stay up to date with Tesla, Apple, and NVIDIA. Tesla levels, I have some wait, buy, stop loss levels as well. Okay, so Tesla's gonna wait. It took off, so it's way up there. I wouldn't buy unless you're DCAing like small increments in. Wait for a pullback to buy, the big lows of Tesla for any company, obviously. But I'll wait for. Right now, I'm waiting. It's at 220 or something like that. Last time I checked this evening or this afternoon. So right now, literally just DCAing. Yeah, it's at 219 right now. So I will wait between 170 and 200, and I will buy within 140 to 169, perfectly towards the 140 level, the lower level. That's the bottom of support. I would perfectly buy, but you can't always buy the bottom. Yeah, that's one thing I learned here. You cannot predict the bottom every time. You're gonna be wrong sometimes, and you got to just face it and just try again. Learn some more knowledge and find out where you went wrong. That's the biggest thing. Find out where you went wrong and correct it. And then once that's done, I mean, you're gonna be wrong again, but you're gonna have to correct it again as well. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, but sitting at 219 right now in Tesla. That's price targets for that as well. Price targets for Tesla. Barclays says 220. Piper Sandler says 300. I love to hear that. I gotta get an average of like 185, I believe, in Tesla. So love to hear that. But take it with a grain of salt. Might not get all the way to the levels. So just pay attention to your gain in profits, and make sure you lock in profits. And also we have RBC Capital says 224. Morgan Stanley says 310. So they're very bullish on that. Only Barclays and RBC Capital is like, they're bullish still, but it's not too bullish. But with that being said, thank y'all for being here once again. I appreciate y'all so much. I love seeing the Discord grow, and I just love being able to learn this tool to free us all from the 9-to-5s. If you're willing to free us off from just working our lives away, on the way to financial freedom. Thank y'all so much for being here. With that being said, have a blessed day and stay cool.